Greetings to all. Now we are going to discuss about how to prepare a flowchart using diagrams.net. It is a free open source diagram app that you can use it in the form of online or offline. You can get access to multiple features like create flowcharts, organizational charts, entity relationship diagrams, logos, process diagrams, network diagrams, and more. Now we can open a diagram app through online or offline. You can select what type of diagram you want. Accordingly, you can select the options which is available. Now we are select one blank diagram and we can assign the name organization chart. Then click. You can have a page like this. You can drag the required shapes from left hand side to and drop it in the diagram area. We have many shapes. Whatever the shapes we want, we can drag it from the left hand side to diagram area. Now we are preparing on simple organization flowchart. So we can drag the required shapes from the left hand side and drop it into the diagram area. It is very easy to move and drag. We have many shapes. What type of shapes or what type of pictures we want, we can include it. You can move the line by using the left and right arrow keys. You can connect it both the sides. You want to give any text inside the boxes, use text tab. You can change the font size of the text, styles. We can able to give colors in the boxes by using the format panel. The left hand side we have one format panel. In that format panel we can able to give certain colors and text. Suppose you want to copy any of the lines, you can copy and paste it. Move using the arrow keys and fix wherever you want. We can fix it in this box. It's very easy to move using arrow key. Also we can able to select the boxes and move accordingly wherever we want. Yes, now we are giving certain colors to the boxes by selecting the box and give the colors using format area. Now we are giving names to that box. First one is general manager, second one is manager sales, third one manager finance. So we can give names. This is one simple. So we have a page. We can assign name to the page also and change the page name. You can get the, suppose you want to add some more diagrams, you can click the pages and add diagrams. We can change the color of the background by using background color. Now we can get the different background. You can select the whole diagram by selecting all these things, or select all these things. You can move wherever you want. Even you can copy somewhere else. You want to make any changes, again you can select the symbols from the left hand side and move to the diagram area. You can able to make changes as per your requirement. It is very easy method to prepare the diagrams. You want to color, you can select the different colors. Suppose you want to download the picture in different format. There are different formats: JPG, PNG, SVG files, like that. You can download the picture to your system. Now you can save that picture in your system. So now this file is saved in the desktop. You can use this desktop version that is in your PC, or you can directly use in the online. Now I can open existing diagram which is available in the desktop. I can select the file name and click. I can open. This is existing diagram. So here I am preparing one diagram for different type of sampling. I am preparing one simple diagram for entity relationships diagram. So likewise we can able to prepare many type of diagram. This is entity relationship diagram. For this also we have different type of options which is available in the right hand side. You can select the required option. We have many number of options available. You can select the required format as per your requirement. We can make the diagram. Straight away you can prepare this diagram by using online method. Just go to Google and type Draw.io. You can get this same like desktop features. It is very useful and simple tool for preparing flowcharts. Thank you for your time.